question, has anybody unboxed Vision Pro while wearing Vision Pro? I mean, it's been out for a while, so quite possibly they have, but just in case they haven't. All right, so this is my Vision Pro. This is the one that I got as a review unit. So let's open it up and just see what it looks like through the eyes of VP. I mean, the unboxing experience was so exciting the first time around. Like, yeah, you better believe the second time is also just as enjoyable. I can't smile as much because this is pressing down on my cheeks, but I'm smiling inside my heart. Oh boy, look at it. I mean, I'm looking at it, but also looking at it through my second set of eyes. This is probably my favorite part of the unboxing, is how this is just sitting here. Like, it's beautiful, it's just light, and it's just floating. It's freaking magical. Okay, so we've got VP here. And of course, we've got all of our accessories. We've got our instructions. What's in here? Oh, the dual loop band. Love to see it, beautiful. Our charger. USB cable, just look at that, so nice. And, of course, the charging brick. In here, we have some more paperwork, and we've got the additional light seal cushion. This one's a little bit thicker than the one that's on VP. I've actually been swapping back and forth because I was letting my sister use this, so when she would use it, I would give her one of these, and then I'd use the other. All right. Okay, so if you haven't watched my review yet, I guess you can go watch that. I still just absolutely love this cover to protect the glass. It's just so awesome. The thing that I do still need to order is the glasses insert, because I haven't actually got that yet. So I do want to get that so that I don't have to wear my contacts every time I want to use VP. But I guess at this point, I've been using Vision Pro for like about a month, maybe a little bit longer. I will say that I haven't been using it every single day, but there are times that I do just put it on, I start watching content. I actually really like it for writing emails because it kind of takes me out of my distraction zone. I can turn on a little environment and I get my keyboard out and I write, and it's pretty cool. I also like using the voice dictation if I can't see my keyboard, so it's been really cool to kind of experiment and do different things in it. So for me, as someone who gets super distracted, it's been kind of cool to sort of keep me in the zone and focus on one task at a time. I've also been getting a little sidetracked because like I just want to start playing some games or watch a movie, so then there's that. So I just unboxed VP with VP. And here it is. Let me know what you think now that you may have seen a ton of Vision Pro reviews, you may have even tried it. I'd love to hear it. Leave it in the comments below. That was fun.